Good evening, Zimbabwe. A true son of the soil, a man who belongs to the people, not to factions, not to profiteers, a leader forged in service, disciplined by sacrifice, and anchored in duty to the flag, the constitution, and the citizens of Zimbabwe. Salapena mashoko arikuda panguva inoi. Recently, we have released another video tichiona some of the people vachipa analysis avo, the reasons why VP Kozaduno Chwenga cannot be the next president of Zimbabwe. Vane reasons avo as mentioned in that video. Panguva ine topinda tunoti kune vamwe vari kuuya panguva ine vachisimbisa general vachiti aiwa VP Kozaduno Chwenga aiwa ndiye ari fitted kuti arane just because he's forged in service, sacrifice, discipline, anchored with constitution and citizens. Don't subscribe or like or on the bell icon. Kadana Mjatano Indramira Chiti. His record speaks where propaganda fails. His decisions reflect honor to fellow comrades, to the living, to the fallen, and to those whose bones still lie in Tanzania, Zambia, and Chimoio. He remembers them not as symbols, but as dead. A debt paid through principle, restraint, and national responsibility. He carries the values of the liberation struggle, not as costume, but as conscience. He understands why the war was fought, who it was fought for, and what was promised to the people when the guns fell silent. Freedom was not meant to be privatized. Sovereignty was not meant to be inherited by cartels. Zimbabwe, behold, your next president Nyakadzino Mukanya Chwenga. Viva Kudo, Viva Zimbabwe. The future is bright. Hashtag the people's president. Hashtag Chwenga. Ndo mashoko anobuda topa panguva ino naKerina Muchati achitaurawo mafungiro ake as a supporter of VP Kozaduno Chwenga. Pena comment section medu mafungiro enyu moti kudi pamusoro pe these developments. So subscribe or like, catch it on the bell icon.